Welcome to Claddagh Kids Can Cook. Okay, guys, what are we going to cook today?
Pizza.
Pizzas, that's right. You can tell me, where do pizzas come from?
In the pizza house.
From the pizza shop, that's right. Does anyone know what country they come from?
You can get in a pizza house in this country.
You can, lots of pizza houses in this country. You can. There's pizza everywhere in Ireland, but it actually comes from Italy. That's the country it comes from. But we love eating pizza in Ireland, don't we? Do you like pizza? Yeah? Hands up who loves pizza. Very good. So what's the very first thing we need for our pizza? Okay, so Kate, you tell me the first thing. Put it on the
Pizza base.
Put it on the pizza base. And Kira, what did you say to do next?
You put it on the spoon and then you spread on the back of the pizza.
That's right. Hold on a minute, let Kira tell her. So you get the sauce with the spoon and you spread it with the
Back of
the spoon. Very good. Yes, Jake?
The pizza man's super fast to make a pizza fast.
They are. The real pizza guys are super fast, aren't they? We're not going to do that today, Jake. We have our pizza bases. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is give you some pizza sauce, and you are going to, what are you going to do, Bear?
Sauce.
What are you going to do?
Spread sauce.
Spread the sauce. Very good. Okay. Do you want to take it just now? You don't need a lot of sauce, otherwise it would be too. Yeah, it looks like pizza ketchup. All the way out to the edges. Off you go, Adam.
It's ketchup.
It looks a bit like ketchup. Why does it look like ketchup, do you think?
Because it's red.
Because it's red. Anything else?
It's a little bit brown. And you can make it to soup.
Yeah. And what's ketchup made from?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. And
my
what's,
hand.
that's okay. And what's pizza sauce made from?
You need tomatoes. Yes.
Okay. Pop your spoons back into your pizza sauce.
It looks like pizza cheese.
Yeah, you're right. What's the next thing, Bear, we need to put on the pizza?
Cheese.
Cheese. So, how do we put the cheese on the pizza? Anyone tell me what word we do?
We grab it and we sprinkle it all over.
Well done, Kate. Yeah. Wait a minute, Jake. We grab it and we sprinkle it. Let's show me your sprinkling hands. Let's go. Sprinkle. Okay, so we grab, you don't need a lot either. We grab a little bit like this and then we sprinkle. Off you go.
It looks like bits of snow.
It does look like bits of snow.
It looks like
But yummy bits of snow, isn't that right?
Christmas.
Yeah. Maybe if you put your hand out, Richard.
You can actually
Adam, put your hand out. Put your hand out for me, like this. And then you can sprinkle. Hand out and sprinkle. Hand out.
Oh my god, it's so pussy down here, Mom.
That's okay, I'll get you in a minute. Very nice sprinkling. You wiggle your fingers, you know, like what we do in music when we're warming up, we wiggle our fingers, don't we? Now, Kate and Macy, I say you need a little bit more. Well done.
Did you eat the cheese?
Well done.
My finger.
Do you want a bit more, Kate? Now, does anyone know what that pizza is called now when we just have sauce and cheese on it?
Margarita.
You're right. What Bear, do you like margarita or pepperoni?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. So we're going to, Kira, we're going to add some pepperoni.
I don't love pepperoni.
That's okay. So here you go. Bear, you're going to put some pepperoni on your pizza. Do you like pepperoni or margarita?
Margarita.
Margarita, very good. Bear, you like margarita, don't you, Adam? Richard, what do you like?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. So would you like some pepperoni? Sprinkle some
On your
pepperoni.
ballerina.
Very. Kira, what do you like?
I don't like pepperoni.
You're going to have margarita. Kate, what do you like?
I like margarita
Oh,
pizza.
me too, actually. Macy, pepperoni. What other toppings can you put on pizza?
You can put some. And you can
You
put
can, yeah. They're called basil, actually. They're normally
seeds
basil.
on the top. You have to cut the seed to put on the top.
That's right, you have to. What's that called when we make the cheese look like this? We don't cut it, we grated it. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, where are we going to put our pizza?
In the oven.
In the oven. Very good. And Bear, what's going to happen to the cheese when we put it in the oven? It's going to, what is going to happen to the cheese? Melt.
What, when you cut it in the oven? And when you take it out, it won't spill all over the place.
No, it won't spill all over the place. It'll kind of stick to the test base. Okay, now we're going to bring it up to the oven, okay? And we'll start putting them in the oven. Where are we going to put our pizzas?
In the oven.
Into the oven. And, yeah, you're going to hold it. Teacher will put it in because the oven is hot. Okay, thank you. Good boy. Well done. In it goes, and we'll come and check on it in a few minutes, okay?